Good morning students, welcome back to your online classes. So today we are going to continue with maths chapter 5 expansion formulae. This is second part of our video. So students, in this exercise, in this practice set, we're going to see expansion formula of a plus b the whole raised to cube. Students, you have to watch each and every video on full screen mode. So a plus b the whole raised to cube, how can we write a plus b the whole raised to cube is equals to a प्लस बी ए प्लस बी ए प्लस बी. हम लोग 3 बार a प्लस बी को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हम लोग को मिलेगा a प्लस बी द होल रेज टू क्यूब, राइट. सो विल राइट a प्लस बी द होल रेज टू क्यूब एज a प्लस बी ए प्लस बी ए प्लस बी, और तीनों मल्टीप्लाई हो रहे हैं, इक्वल्स टू a प्लस बी, और ये दो a प्लस बी को हम लोग क्या लिख सकते हैं, स्क्वायर. देन व्हाट विल गोइंग टू डू, what we're going to do, will expand a plus b the whole square by the formula a square plus 2ab plus b square, and we'll keep a plus b into the product of it. Then we have a and the whole bracket a square plus 2ab plus b square, then plus b a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, then a into a square is a cube plus 2 into a is a square into b plus a into b square is ab square plus b into a is ba square plus 2a b into b is b square plus b cube. Okay, now a cube will remain as it is 2a square b. तो a square वाला कौन सा है, ये वाला है. सो ये कितने हैं, कुछ एक ही है और ये दो है. सो 2a square b plus 1a ba square is 3a square b plus ab square plus 2ab square, it means plus 3ab square plus b cube. So we have a plus b the whole raised to cube as a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay, so this is the formula for a plus b the whole raised to cube. So let's start with practice set 5.2. This is first question, that is k plus 4 the whole raised to cube. We have to expand it by the formula a plus b the whole raised to cube. So here a is k and b is equals to 4. The formula says that a plus b the whole raised to cube is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So that is k cube plus 3k square into 4 plus 3k into 4 square plus 4 cube. So here our a square is this k square and b square is this 4 square, and that a square is a cube is k cube and b cube is 4 cube. Okay, so k cube will remain as it is. 3 into 4 is 12 k square plus 3 into 4 is 3k, 4 का square is 16 plus 4 का cube is 64. Then we have k cube plus 12 k square plus 3 into 16 is 48 k plus 64. Okay, now second, here a equals to, second question is 7x plus 8y the whole raised to cube. So a क्या रहेगा हम लोग का, 7x रहेगा, b क्या रहेगा, 8y रहेगा, right. So 7x plus 8y the whole raised to cube will be 7x the whole raised to cube plus 3 into a square. So 3 into 7x the whole square into b, so 8y as it is, plus 3ab square. So 3 into 7x into 8y the whole square plus 8y cube, b का cube. Now 7 का cube is 343 and x का cube is x cube plus 3 will remain as it is. 7 का square is 49, x का square is x square, 8y as it is plus 3 7x, 8 का square is 64, y का square as it is y square plus 8 का cube is 512 and y का cube is y cube. Now we have 343 x cube plus 3 into 49 into 8 is 1176 x square y plus 3 into 7 into 64 is 1344, and here x and y square plus 512 y cube. So now third question is 7x plus m the whole raised to cube. So we have a equals to 7 and a equals to, students here 7 plus m the whole raised to cube है, x नहीं है. Okay, so we have a equals to 7 and b equals to m. So we have 7 plus m the whole raised to cube as 7 cube plus 3 into a square, that is 7 square into m plus 3 into 7 into m square plus m cube. So we have 7 cube as 343 plus 3 as it is, 7 का square 49 m plus 3 into 7 into m square plus m cube. So we have 343, 3 into 49 147 m plus 3 7 is 21 m square plus m cube. Now fourth question. So in fourth question there is 52, that is 52 cube. So we have to expand it, right. So how are we going to write 52, 50 plus 2, यहाँ पर 3 गलत दिया हुआ है, we have to write 2. This is 2 cube. So here a is 50 and b is 2. So that is 52 cube will be equal to a का cube, that is 50 का cube. प्लस 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय ए स्क्वायर इंटू बी, तो ए क्या है 50, 50 का स्क्वायर इंटू बी इज़ 2, प्लस 3 इंटू ए दैट इज़ 3 इंटू 50 इंटू बी स्क्वायर दैट इज़ 2 का स्क्वायर, प्लस 2 क्यूब. तो वी हैव 50 क्यूब एज 125 क्यूब. इसको इजीली कैसे करेंगे, 5 5 25, 25 5 125 और 3 टाइम्स 0, प्लस 3 विल रिमेन एज इट इज़ 50 का स्क्वायर दैट इज़ 2500 इंटू 2, प्लस 3 इंटू 50 2 का स्क्वायर इज़ 4, प्लस 2 का क्यूब इज़ 8. नाउ 125,000 प्लस 3 इंटू 2500 इंटू 2 इज़ 15,000, plus 3 into 50 into 4 is 600 plus 8. So now what we're going to do, we'll add up all the four things and we'll get 140,608. Now fifth question, that is 101 the whole raised to cube. So how could we write 101, 100 plus 1 the whole raised to cube. Here a is 100 and b is 1. So 101 cube का 101 the whole raised to cube क्या आएगा, 100 cube a cube plus 3 into a square. So 3 into 100 का square into b 1 plus 3 into a that is 100 into b square that is 1 square plus 1 का cube. So 100 cube is cube है तो 2 2 2 तो 2 plus 2 6 6 times 0 आएगा plus 3 into 100 का square that is 4 times 0 plus 3 into 100 is 300, 1 का square is 1 and 1 का cube is also 1. So we have this one as it is, 3 into this is 30,000 plus 3 into 100 is 300 plus 1. Now we're going to add up all the four terms, then we'll get 1030301. Now sixth question, that is x plus 1 by x the whole raised to cube. So what is x plus 1 by x? So x is a equals to x, b is equals to 1 by x. So we have x plus 1 by x the whole raised to cube is equals to x का cube plus 3 into a square that is x square into 1 by x plus 3 into a into b square that is 1 by x the whole square plus 1 by x the whole raised to cube. So we have x cube as it is 3x square upon 1 by x. So यहाँ से एक x यहाँ से एक x कट जाएगा तो नीचे कुछ नहीं बचेगा, नीचे 1 बचेगा ऊपर एक x बचेगा. So we have 3x into 1 is 3x plus 3 into x upon 1 upon x square plus 1 upon x cube. Okay. So now from here also 1x will going to get cancel तो यहाँ पर नीचे 1x बचेगा. So x cube plus 3x, तो 3 into 1 is 3 upon एक x बच गया plus 1 by x cube. Okay. Now seventh question, that is 2m plus 1 by 5 the whole raised to cube. So here a equals to 2m, b equals to 1 by 5. So we had 2m plus 1 by 5 the whole raised to cube as a का cube that is 2m the whole cube plus 3 into a का square that is 2m square into 1 upon 5 as it is plus 3 into 2m into 1 by 5 का square plus 1 by 5 b का cube. So we had 2 cube as 8 and m cube will remain as it is plus 3 will remain as it is, 2 का square is 4 and m का square is m square 1 upon 5 plus 3 into 2m 1 by 5 का square, तो 1 का square is 1, 5 का square is 25 plus 1 का cube is 1 cube, 5 का cube is 125. So we have 8m cube as it is plus 3 4s are 12, 12m square into 1 is 12m square upon 5 plus 3 2s are 6m into 1 is 6m upon 25 plus 125, 1 upon 125. Okay students, now let's continue with last sum of this practice set, that is 5x upon y plus y upon 5x the whole raised to cube. So we have here a equals to 5x by y and b equals to y by 5x. So what we're going to do, we'll expand by the formula a plus b the whole raised to cube, that is a cube. The first is 5x upon y the whole raised to cube plus 3 into 5x upon y the whole square, that is a square, into b y upon 5x plus 3 into a, that is 5x upon y, into b square, that is y upon 5x the whole square plus y upon 5x the whole raised to cube. So now we have 5 का cube as 125, x का cube as x cube upon y plus 3 will remain as it is, 5x upon y the whole square है तो हम लोग उसको twice a time लिखेंगे, y by 5x will remain as it is plus 3 5x upon y into y upon 5x the whole square, तो इसको भी twice a time लिख सकते हैं plus y cube upon 5 का cube is 125 and x का cube is x cube. So now from here 5x कट जाएगा और y कट जाएगा, राइट. सो वी हैव 3 into 5x by y और यहाँ से क्या होगा 5x कट जाएगा एंड y will remain as it is. See here 5x y and from here 5x, 5x, y, right? So we have here this term, and from here 3 into y by 5x. So rest of the term will remain as it is, 125x cube upon y cube plus 3 into 5x upon y plus 3 into y by 5x plus y cube upon 125x cube. So now 125x cube upon y cube plus 3 into 15xy upon y, 15x upon y plus 3 into y upon 5x plus y cube upon 125x. Okay students, that's it for today. Thank you for attending the lecture. Complete your notes from these videos.